Hey everyone, so I don't have much time, but I have enough time to unbox what I got in my mail, and those are Cloudwheels 120 millimeters. So let's start opening. It's probably gonna a little bit shake the camera right now, but I guess whatever. I'm doing this on my bed. But let's go, let's open and see what's inside and how huge actually they are. Because from what I know, they're extremely huge and heavy. I can feel this right now. Okay, so there is something. I don't know, I ordered the biggest order for $170. Okay, so let's see those wheels. This front of the box, okay. Oh my goodness! They're huge, no way. No way.
They are huge.
They're extremely huge. Okay, but also they're nice. Ain't it? What? Yep, they're huge. Almost like her face. Yeah. So, this is how they look like, and later I'll put them on my skateboard here. So,
Where?
see ya later. There.
On the left.
Yep. So you just saw me in the morning actually that I unboxed the wheels, and now I will try to unbox this package and see what's inside, because I'm not really sure, I don't really remember what was here. So let's open and see really fast before my camera died. So yeah, there are belts that I not really need, but it's nice that they gave me. So those are the belts, and they're different than I got with my zealot. They actually look already broken here, but it's not broken probably. So yeah, it's just visible here, those wires. Okay, here are, ooh, nice, pulleys, if I'm not wrong, I'm not saying this is wrong. Okay, they're actually a little bit different, I need to say. And here are those parts. Here's even more. And yeah, that's all. This is how to put it. I'll put right now those cloud wheels, huge wheels, onto my skateboard, and you will see how they're looking like. So let's start it. And no, there's not gonna be any time lapse or anything. My camera has literally 16%, so yeah. I also feel like doing before and after. So this is wheel that is already on my skateboard, and this is cloud wheel. It's this much bigger. Yeah, it is much bigger. And also I got something like this for front and rear of the skateboard, so it's gonna be something like this to protect deck that I have. So yeah, that's the wheel. That's the cloud wheel actually. And yeah, it's very big. And also the best part that I love about this wheel is, like, look how well it's matching with the skateboard. And also on the back you can see it's also purple, so that's very nice. So I'm almost done. I put all the bearings to every wheel, and this is pulley, and you can see it's much different, the original one from Iwonder. This one on the left is original one, and from Cloudwheels is on the right. And you can see it's like, here is filled from what I see, here is not, and overall this like looks like much cheaper, and also the one from Iwonder is heavier. At least this is what I think. Maybe actually it's heavier because there's this bearing. Yeah, it might be because of this. So this is how my skateboard is looking like right now with those metal parts and wheels. And you can see from the top it's looking gorgeous. And now I will turn it around, my skateboard, and it's looking like this. I think this is so good looking. And also I put those small circle things, 3 of them actually, inside the wheel, so the belt is perfectly not touching the wheel. Now I'll go on the street and see how good they are and tell you my impressions. So see you in a second. So let's start it. Here's the remote. I'm on sports mode like always, and let's go. Oh wow! Wow! That's actually very nice. It's not like amazing for now, but I feel like it's good. And acceleration is also great. Wow! I'm surprised. And now braking. Yeah, braking is also great. So for now, I think they're great. We'll see in a bit. I will ride a little bit longer and tell you my initial impressions of those wheels. Also, safety is very important, so shred lights are amazing, and you can see like they kind of darker here, which is not surprising actually. So in a short moment I'll tell you what do I think about them, because for now they're crazy good. Something that I need to point out right now is the fact that there is so much small bubbles that are making small holes on the wheel, that I hope this is not gonna affect riding at all, but it's so much of them that I'm kinda nervous. So, I'm riding for quite a long time, and from what I see and hear actually, summer is starting. If I hear those trucks, here's my skateboard, and we'll see right now acceleration. I don't like put acceleration to the maximum, but let's try to do it. So let's go, 3, 2, 1, and it's fast. Oh my god. I would say it's almost, oh my god, I'm so overexposed. So brakes are actually very good right now, and later also brakes are like acceptable, I would say, like very good still. And the acceleration when battery is dying, also acceleration is not the greatest. I need to really say that, but also it's not bad. I feel like because of this I'm going a little bit slower, so that means I'm going a little bit more safer on the street, and wheels are bigger, so also I'm avoiding more bumps and cracks and everything else, so I guess it's like win-win. This is how skateboard is presenting on the street, so I feel like she's looking gorgeous. So this is exactly what I think about those wheels. I would say if you really want to spend this kind of money, then go for it and buy them. 120mm for Backfire Zealot is like actually perfect. I feel like 105 would not be perfect, but, and what am I talking about is the fact that those wheels have those grooves, whatever this is. I feel every single part when I'm riding, so I feel like even worse on good surface like this to ride with those wheels than the stock ones, but yeah, we'll see after some time if it's gonna be better or no. And this is all for this video. See you in another one. I'm not really sure when, but there's gonna be another one video. I have work, but I love you guys so much, and I just can't not post like at least once a week or twice a week or at least once a month. Doesn't matter, I just need to post something for you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching.